The parish church of St. Mary, Radcliffe is a church in Radcliffe, Greater Manchester. It was built during the 14th century, but the tower was not added until the 15th century. The church was designated a Grade I listed building by English Heritage in 1966, under its former name of the Church of St. Mary and St. Bartholomew. In 1991, some local parishes were merged, and the church adopted its present name. The church roof was restored in 2008-09 at a cost of £250,000. The churchyard contains the war graves of 6 soldiers of World War I and 3 of World War II.On Boxing Day 2015, the church was inundated by floodwater so bad that the church was unapproachable until the Monday, the 28th December. The flooding caused thousands of pounds worth of damage, including many cherished artifacts. See also: List of churches in Greater Manchester, Grade I listed churches in Greater Manchester, listed buildings in Radcliffe, Greater Manchester. References: External links, Parish website, a church near you entry.